If you're planning a career in tech or business, one of the biggest questions you'll have is, what should I learn? There are so many softwares and technologies out there to choose from. And with AI being used so widely, it becomes almost impossible to make a decision. But you're already watching this video. So that means you have shortlisted Salesforce or SAP as your potential career moves. Both are globally adopted and promising opportunities. So let's break it down. Which one is a suitable technology for you to learn? Hello everyone, I'm Shrey, your Salesforce Hulk. And today we're diving into Salesforce and SAP to figure out where you should pivot. These are two of the biggest enterprise software platforms in the world. But they serve very different purposes, have different strengths, and lead to very different career paths. Salesforce is primarily a CRM, and it helps businesses manage customer relationships, sales pipelines, support cases, and marketing automation. SAP, on the other hand, is an ERP, enterprise resource planning software, and that means it manages internal processes. Finance, logistics, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, procurement, compliance, and more. Think of it this way. Salesforce helps you sell better. SAP helps you run better. So how exactly are they used in a business or by an individual who uses them? Let's see. Salesforce is quite modular. It has Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Experience Cloud, etc. These clouds are highly customizable for any business need. And these customizations can be done easily with the help of Apex, Visualforce, Lightning Web Components, and Flows. Salesforce basically provides you with tools for, say, lead and opportunity management, email campaign automation, customer service, marketing automation, analytics and AI, app building, and much more. SAP is more structured and tightly integrated around business processes. The real strength of SAP can be seen in large enterprises where manufacturing, procurement, and finance teams need to talk to each other in real time. SAP provides tools for financial accounting, materials management, sales and distribution, human capital management, production planning, business intelligence, etc. Another key difference in their architecture is that Salesforce is more open to integrations via APIs and App Exchange, whereas SAP is more rigid, but it is also highly robust in core enterprise processes. Enough about the technicalities now. Let's talk about their market size and industry use. After all, that is the most useful information for you all. Salesforce is used by businesses of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500s, especially in industries like tech, healthcare, real estate, retail, and financial services. SAP is more prominent in large enterprises, especially manufacturing, automotive, oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, and heavy industries. Let me share some facts and figures. Salesforce dominates CRM globally with approximately 23% market share. SAP dominates the ERP space with a significant chunk of Fortune 500 companies relying on it. In fact, over 77% of the world's transaction revenue touches a SAP system at least once. These figures make it obvious that skilled people will be highly demanded in these domains. You must be wondering, what are the job profiles that I can explore? Well, in Salesforce, there are many roles that you can prepare for depending on your interests. The most foundational one is Salesforce Administrator. Then comes the Salesforce Developer position, which is a more hands-on and technical profile after admin. If you do not want to get into development, then you can also go for quality assurance or business analyst roles. Both of them have a similar pay range. But if you're still not convinced, then let me share more on the job profiles that you can look into. Now, after these beginner level roles, you can specialize in a particular cloud to become a functional expert or consultant, or even move to architect roles after some solid experience. Moving on to the SAP roles, there is SAP ABAP Developer or SAP Basis Admin. These are beginner roles and you can steer towards SAP Functional Consultant in any of the modules after these. SAP also has a Solution Architect profile which is similar to Salesforce Architect. Now the most important question here is how to even get started in either Salesforce or SAP. First things first, you need the basic skills, such as in Salesforce, you must learn the administrative part first. You can start with Trailhead and go up from there. For BA and QA profiles, no coding knowledge is really required. But for development, you need to know the Apex, LWC, Flows, and REST APIs. I have a lot of videos for career roadmap for Salesforce profiles. So you can sign up to our newsletter and I'll send the relevant videos to you weekly in your inbox. For SAP, you can start with open SAP courses or third-party training programs to learn the basics of the platform. After that, whatever module you want to work on should be the deciding factor. For example, you need to know FI if you want to get into accounting and MM if you want to work in logistics. For tech roles, ABAP and SAP UI5 are basics. Many SAP consultants come from domain backgrounds like finance, logistics, HR, and then learn SAP. That gives them an edge. So you see, it is quite easy to get into any of these two domains. If you love user-focused products, fast delivery, and marketing or sales workflows, then definitely go for Salesforce. You'll be able to create a visible impact and enjoy building customer journeys. But if you're more fascinated by finance, supply chain, manufacturing, or large-scale operations, then SAP is your perfect pick. Both career paths are high-paying and future-proof. So it is really about what you enjoy day to day, where your skills and interests align. Well, that was all from my end. I hope this video will help you in making a decision. And if you need any further guidance, you can always reach out to our career counselor. I will leave the contact details below in the description. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Salesforce Hulk. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.